हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ओवर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मैं रविदित्य आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ टॉप 25 इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी वर्ड्स विच विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू enhance your English vocabulary as well as your English fluency. So let's start with the first word. The first word is scrutiny. It means जांच या छानबीन. The second word is terror. It means आतंक. The third word is victim. It means पीड़ित. The fourth word is distribute. It means वितरित करना. The fifth word is donate. It means दान करना. The sixth word is declare. It means घोषित करना. The seventh word is pressure. It means दबाव. The eighth word is jeopardy. It means खतरा. The ninth word is throne. It means सिंहासन. The 10th word is secular. It means धर्मनिरपेक्ष. The 11th word is feeble. It means कमजोर. The 12th word is tight. It means कसा हुआ. The 13th word is glad. It means खुश. The 14th word is danger. It means खतरा. The 15th word is tomb. It means मकबरा. The 16th word is collide. It means टकराना. The 17th word is clarify. It means स्पष्ट करना. The 18th word is notify. It means सूचित करना. The 19th word is disclose. It means खुलासा करना. The 20th word is achieve. It means प्राप्त करना. The 21st word is disagree. It means असहमत होना. The 22nd word is flatter. It means खुशामद करना. The 23rd word is prepare. It means तैयार करना. The 24th word is suspend. It means निलंबित करना. The 25th and last word is repeat. It means दोहराना. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share for more videos.